And welcome to Adare Manor Hotel in Limerick in Ireland. This is Lady Caroline Dunraven, and that's significant because we are just about to take a look at the Lady Caroline suite, room number 210 in the hotel on the ground floor. And I would say one of the most beautiful, or maybe the most beautiful hotel suite in Ireland, and I'll show you why in a second. So the hotel is on a huge peaceful estate. This is the river that flows directly through it and directly beside the suite and beside the hotel, which dates from 1832. It was built by Lady Caroline Dunraven and her husband. Back then, it's a calendar house that relates to it having something like 365 windows. There's a certain amount of doors, a certain amount of chimney stacks. So it's like 365, 12, 7, something like that. Relates to dates and calendars. So I'm rambling. Here is the bedroom. It's a 1-bedroom suite. Super comfy bed, nice dark room. The controller there takes care of lighting. You can draw the blinds electronically. It's got your itinerary on it if you've got a fence plug. There's my little desk space working away. So in through here, you've got storage on both sides. Safe over there as well. Then going through to the bathroom. There I am. So toiletries are by Acqua di Parma. I personally would like to see an Irish brand, but loads of people like them. Amazing view from the bathtub. You get to look at the river flow, and as it happens, there is a golf course just beyond this. But I think you're pretty well hidden. It seems to be, I don't know, there's a little lake there on the other side. TV to look at while you bathe. Then if we go through again, take you to the living area, and this is why I think it's maybe the best, most beautiful hotel suite in Ireland, and I have been to quite a few. So here is the guest WC, and here is the incredible ornate, beautifully decorated lounge. You've got very unusual ceiling details there. The wood is oak. There's a battalion of angels providing protection. Then these beautifully carved oak cabinets. Lovely old fireplace. You have a shelf here with complimentary goodies. So they have bottled Adare Manor cocktails. So you get an old-fashioned, vodka martini, and a Negroni. And additionally, the contents of the minibar are included. So nice Irish chocolates, local beers, soft drinks, and as you'd expect, there's water there as well. Then this living area, TV to my right, desk space. Just give you a look at the view here again. That amazing arch. More wooden detailing and oak beams up there. And then again, looking through, see this great view of the river.